Day 202, the Church of the Sons. And to the assembly of the firstborn, who are registered in heaven, and to God, who is judge of all, and to the spirits of righteous men made perfect. Hebrews 12:23. The church was never meant to be a gathering of people who simply acknowledge their brokenness. It was meant to be the house of sons who live fully unto the Godhead. Through the finished work of Jesus Christ, those who believe have been brought into a completely new life. They are not merely forgiven sinners trying to behave better. They are full, new creations, sharing in the very life of the Son. This is the miracle of the gospel, that we were chosen out before the foundations of the world, in love, in Christ, for God, that we might live unto Him as fully maturing sons, where He is the focus and center and source. Jesus Christ did not come to improve humanity. He came to crucify the old, to pay sin every single penny it was owed, to deal with the devil, demons, every debt, every sin, past, present, and future, every disease, everything. He came to bring to its full death, so that the resurrection would bring forward His new creation. Through the cross and resurrection, we have been made fully compatible with God Himself. Why? Because His life now lives within us, so that we can live in full dependency, full abiding life with Him. This is what He has determined, desired, and fully made possible. Yet many believers have never been discipled into this reality. They remain trapped in a mindset that constantly identifies with sin rather than with the life of Christ. But the Father is powerfully releasing the truth of His gospel, the powerful truth of Jesus Christ and Him crucified. He is raising sons in full maturity who know they belong to Him, sons who understand and fully embrace the power of the cross, sons who live in newness of life and who carry the message of reconciliation to the world around them. And through these sons, the true church continues to emerge. For these sons are stewards of the spiritual reality of God and His presence and His desires. The house that is emerging will not be built on personalities or platforms, but on the living life of Christ flowing through His people.